roast chicken and veggies tutorials for a nice Sunday roast if you feel like it. To start, I quartered up my potatoes and even cut some a little smaller depending on how big my potatoes were. Once you're all done cutting them up, you want to toss them in a pan. I threw carrots on top of there just for the time being and started with seasoning. You want to toss some olive oil. My hand got a little heavy here, but it's totally fine. Add salt, pepper, paprika, adobo, and you also want to add, if you have some left, you want to add some rosemary and thyme. Make sure also this pan is big enough to fit your chicken because you're going to be cooking the chicken on top of all these vegetables. Mix it all up and then you can get started on your butter. The butter consists of 3 minced garlic cloves and rosemary and thyme, adobo, and I also added 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon seasoning to it. I also added the liquid sazon. I would highly recommend the seasoning packets because this was my first time trying to do it with this and it actually made it more difficult to spread. So in the chicken goes a bunch of garlic. You can use a whole garlic head if you have it, half a lemon, rosemary, and thyme. And then here I'm showing under the chicken skin where you want to put some of the butter and then spread it all over. Once you're done spreading it, toss it in the oven at 425 for an hour and a half and then let it rest. I did remove the chicken from the pan just to add the green beans. Then I put the chicken back and covered it so I can let it rest for 15-20 minutes and finish, the juices circulating. And that allowed the green beans to be cooked perfectly and then cut it up and served.